Hey everyone, it's Shane with Wilco Offroad. Today we're going to talk about how to take care of your Hitchgate. As with any gear on your rig, we recommend that you check the hardware and bushings before and after any big trip. If you're ever experiencing any sag in the arm, it's going to start right here at the pivot point. That'll be the first place to check. There's a couple of Delwyn washers in here. They do have a tendency to wear over time, maybe 2 to 3 years. We do sell replacements online, and they're easy to replace. The next thing to check is your latch pin bushings. If there's any wear or tear, they may need to be replaced. There's a top one and a bottom one that your latch pin goes through. You can replace those quite easily by punching them out, and we do sell those on our website. If there's any movement side to side in your hitch receiver, it's going to be your wedge lock that you're going to want to check. You may need to re-torque that wedge lock bolt, and you can find those torque specs on our website or in your owner's manual. These tips will help keep your Hitchgate working like new. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us on our website or customer service.